We got cheese, cheese, cheese. My favorite.
Oh boy, it's getting crazy, guys. Maybe I should have done this part.
Down to the last wire here.
What? It's not even in the right spot.
Marks. Get set.
Go! Ready for some trivia? Which pizza chain had the first stuffed crust pizza?
Where did the pepperoni pizza originate?
Whoa, I didn't know you were gonna use all of that. Ooh. Hi friends, welcome to our channel again. This is the Shar and Joe Show. I'm Sharlene.
And I'm Joe.
And we are gonna be doing a bunch of fun activities again. As you can tell from our shirts.
We're making pizza.
No, we're not making pizza, but we are
Okay.
making something kind of like pizza. Pizza dip.
All right, fair enough.
And since New Year's Eve is coming up soon, I thought this would be a fun creative recipe that we can probably recreate on actually New Year's Eve.
Sounds good.
Okay.
So what do we gotta do?
So I have all the ingredients laid out here. First is
Mush mush.
mush mush. These are a bunch of cheeses. We've got cream cheese, ricotta cheese, Parmesan cheese, and mozzarella cheese. And of course, all the recipe and details is below.
Love it. Cheese,
Yeah.
cheese, cheese.
Yep.
All right, what else?
Cheese for my Wisconsin guy. We've got brush. We've got 1 egg for the egg wash. Some pepperonis, of course.
All right, Charlene. Does this look like an egg, guys? I don't
Oh,
think
good.
so. I'll fix that for you. There you go. All right, guys. There's your egg.
Oh, there's the egg. That was the butter. And this is our pizza sauce. Got it here. Got an easy peasy pizza crust here. We've got some cutouts. Now this step you can of course skip if it's not New Year's when you're gonna be doing this, New Year's Eve. But I thought this would be fun since New Year's Eve is coming up soon. And I've got some slices of block mozzarella cheese.
So we got cheese, cheese, cheese.
Let's get started. This time I'm gonna be having Joe doing some of the stuff here. First step is gotta open this guy up and spread it out on this.
Why don't you just crack it over something?
Well,
Follow the instructions.
oh boy, it's getting crazy, guys. Maybe I should have done this part. So you're gonna cut it in 3, and then you're gonna cut it in 4 across. Here we go. Perfect. We're gonna put some butter down here. We're gonna stuff these guys. So we're gonna put it in the middle, pinch these up, and roll them.
It's like a diaper.
Like a diaper. And we roll it, and we place it around the side.
Roll, 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 roll. Let's see if we can get the most done fastest.
Oh boy, I did 2 already.
It's coming down to the last wire here.
What?
I knew
It's
she
not
was
even
gonna-
the right spot.
I knew she was
Are you
going to.
kidding me?
No, no, no.
Your guy is not even in the right spot. All right, time for the next step. So you're gonna put a little pizza sauce in the bottom. Don't use all of it because we're gonna be using it for other steps.
It's like
Yeah, tablespoons should be okay. And just spread it out. So we're gonna spoon some of this guy in. We're gonna continue our layers. A little bit more pizza sauce. All right, perfect. So you're gonna put some pepperonis in.
What's your guys' favorite pizza? I think both of ours is, well, pepperoni for sure, but I like supreme, everything, meat lovers, that kind of stuff.
Oh boy.
Charlene.
I like a good vegetarian pizza. Some mushrooms, some peppers, some onions.
Like all that stuff with the meat.
All right, so we're gonna put a little more sauce and then we're gonna top with some mozzarella cheese.
Oop. Almost made
We want to make sure these pizza buns do not burn, so we're gonna need to top it. We're gonna put a little butter and egg wash.
What's next?
All right, next step is we are gonna bake this for 25 minutes in the oven at 350 degrees.
Very good.
While that's baking, we're gonna play a few games, some trivia, and we'll play this clock game. So it's pretty simple. We have a paper plate with some numbers just like a clock. You can get the printout, which the link is in the description box below, or you can just simply take a black marker and write on a paper plate or a styrofoam plate, up to you. And the object of the game is to see who can complete the clock.
So how much practice did you do?
I haven't practiced at all. You start at the 1 and you go all the way to 12. And we're going to be using M&Ms. And the trick here is you're gonna have to transfer these M&Ms with a straw. And there's 1 M&M per number.
On your marks, get set.
Go! I was so close! That was fun. I really enjoyed that, and definitely a fun game for anyone to play at a party or just any type of New Year's Eve event.
And it actually went a lot faster than I thought. I thought it was gonna take forever and a day.
Yeah.
So.
You ready for some trivia?
Okay. Who's going first this time?
I'll go first.
Okay. Do you have your question memorized?
I do not have my question memorized. I'll be right back, guys. Which pizza chain had the first stuffed crust pizza? A, Domino's, B, Pizza Hut, or C, Papa John's?
Ooh.
Yeah.
I mean,
I'm bringing my A game today.
my gut is telling me one thing. I feel like Pizza Hut used to be a little more on its A game back in the day. So I'm gonna go with Pizza Hut.
You sure?
Final answer.
Yeah.
It is?
Yes.
Yes.
Pizza Hut. I think it's always good to go with your gut, I feel like.
Well, my initial thought was Domino's. I'm like, nah. Like back then, I feel like Pizza Hut was kind of the king of the pizza chains. Ready for my question?
Yeah.
My question is, where did the pepperoni pizza originate? Choice number A. New York City. Option B. Naples, Italy. Option C. Chicago, Illinois.
Whoa, you're really just, so we live in Chicago, guys. So this is like interesting question. I'm from New York, we're living in Chicago, and then we have this ringer, which is Naples, which I know is very famous for pizza. So, pepperoni pizza. I'm gonna have to go with my hometown, guys. I'm gonna have to go with New York.
New York City?
Yeah.
Who's right? Charlene's right.
Yes! Yes! So here's the age-old question.
Age-old question.
Well, not age-old. The very, let's say, controversial question. And I want you guys to start commenting below because I want to see all the back and forth. Tell me who makes the best pizza, Chicago or New York?
For me, personally, pizza is delicious. Whether it's New York, Chicago, Italy, I love all of it. As long as it's got some cheese on it, I'm pretty happy. But a good deep dish pizza has a lot of cheese. So I think if I had a deep dish sitting in front of me and a New York pizza, I'd go with the deep dish.
For me, we all know New York pizza is where it's at. Just love that thin crust pizza, the type of pizza that you can fold, and then the sauce.
It reminds me of the Ninja Turtle pizza. Like that's
Yeah.
what I think of when she says New York slice. I'm like, yeah, like the Ninja Turtle pizza.
Right, pizza that you can fold, and the cheese is just running off of it. Lots of sauce, tons of sauce. Loves, like when I make homemade pizza, I put a lot of sauce on it. And so that is definitely my preference. Since we're doing this extra step, since this is a New Year's Eve theme pizza dip, we're gonna cut out some of those numbers and those 2 hands for the clock. So I got everything here. We got these mozzarella block sliced up into 3 slices, so we have enough space to do our cutouts. And Joe is going to do the clock hands and probably help me with some of the numbers, and I will be working on the numbers while he's doing that.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pizza is out of the oven. It's not a pizza, it's a dip.
Yeah. So the pizza dip is out. It looks really good already, so I'm excited when it's finally done. And what we're gonna do is just add the remaining sauce, some more cheese, and some pepperonis on top, and then bake it for 7 minutes. Whoa, I didn't know you were gonna use all of that. I thought it was gonna be most of it, not
Wow,
all of
really?
it. All right, we're back, guys, and our pizza dip is out of the oven.
Looking good.
Yep, and we're gonna put our numbers on our hands for the clock and eat.
10 to noon.
Sure.
Looks good. So we got our servings. Somebody got more than the other person. Cheers.
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 Cheers. But just to describe the taste, a little bit of crunch with the pizza crust on the outside, and then really creamy dip on the inside. The ricotta, I wasn't sure how good it would be, but it really just adds to the textures in the cheese and all the different flavors of the cheeses that we use. It's really a wow factor.
Yep.
Clearly. We look forward to making more fun activities like this, playing games, and don't forget to subscribe, leave some comments below, suggestions. All of the things from this video are linked, including the recipes, our outfits. Shout out to Amazon. I really like these shirts. I thought they were pretty cool for couples.
Charlene's socks.
Oh yeah, my socks. Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Yep.
I'm gonna do it. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Yeah. So we got pizza and
Got these cool pizza socks. You know, when you go on Amazon, I feel like you just kind of like start finding all kinds of stuff.
go crazy.
I'm going crazy. So
All right.
I'm ready to eat some more. I'm gonna let you guys go, and can't wait to do another video.
All right. See you guys later.